Hi there, Anagha Koka here. Welcome to my food channel. Today this video is about Sitaphal Vermicelli and Kheer. Kheer, we all know that this is an Indian dessert which is generally prepared during festive seasons, as this takes very less time, very few ingredients and has great taste. To the same Kheer, I have added the custard apple or the Sitaphal, which will enhance the flavor and also gives it a delectable taste. So do try this particular recipe, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. So let's watch how to make this Sitaphal Vermicelli and Kheer. In a blender, add the Sitaphal pulp, add elaichi, add milk. This is boiled milk. Blend this into a smooth mixture. For Sitaphal Vermicelli and Kheer, first add little ghee. Add the roasted vermicelli and stir fry for a minute. So this is roasted, and now we will add a spoon of sugar. Add a glass of milk. Add chopped almonds and cashews. Now switch off the flame and let it get little cool. So now this has been cooled to the room temperature, and now we will add this Sitaphal and milk mixture and give it a mix. So now this is done and we can serve this. So here the vermicelli and Sitaphal Kheer is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Thank you.